What if the reason you feel stuck with money is not how much you earn, but the fact that you never learn how to control it properly? Most people work hard, earn money, and still feel like it disappears too fast. Not because they're careless, but because there's no clear system behind their finances. Money comes in, money goes out, and nothing is tracked, planned, or controlled. In today's video, we are diving into a simple step-by-step system that helps you take full control of your finances. No complicated theory, no confusing jargon, just practical steps you can actually apply in real life. Let's get into it. 1. Know your real financial position. Before anything improves, the first step is understanding exactly where you stand financially. Most people avoid this because it feels uncomfortable, but clarity is a foundation of control. If you don't know your current position, you cannot plan where you are going. Start by listing everything you own, including cash, savings, investments, and any valuable assets. Then list everything you owe, such as loans, credit cards, or any other debt. Subtract your liabilities from your assets, and you get your real financial position. This number is not a judgment. It is simply your starting point. This step also helps you stop guessing about your finances and start dealing with facts. Once things are written down, financial stress often feels more manageable. You may even notice mistakes or gaps you were ignoring before. Even if the result is negative, it is still useful because it gives you a clear baseline. Once you know the truth, improvement becomes structured instead of random. Over time, this clarity builds confidence because you finally know what needs attention first. 2. Track every rupee you spend. Most people think they understand their spending, but once they start tracking, the reality often surprises them. Small expenses, repeated daily, quietly take away a large portion of income over time. For the next 30 days, track every single transaction without skipping anything. Every bill, every purchase, every subscription matters. You can use a notebook, spreadsheet, or any budgeting app that feels simple for you. This habit also builds discipline because it forces you to stay aware of your decisions in real time. At first, it may feel boring, but soon it becomes a powerful habit. You start thinking twice before spending money automatically. It also reduces emotional spending because you become more conscious of every choice. Over time, you naturally avoid unnecessary purchases without forcing yourself. Even small awareness in daily spending can create big financial changes later. After a few weeks, patterns will start appearing clearly. You will notice where money is wasted and where it actually adds value. This awareness is the base of all financial improvement. It shows you exactly what needs to change without guessing. 3. Set clear financial goals. Vague goals like save more money rarely work because they don't give direction. Clear goals give your money purpose and help you stay focused. Break your goals into short-term, medium-term, and long-term categories. Short-term goals may include building an emergency fund or paying off small debt. Medium-term goals can involve saving for big purchases or financial stability. Long-term goals focus on wealth building and financial independence. When goals are clearly defined, your spending decisions automatically improve. You start understanding what is important and what is not. This reduces unnecessary purchases without forcing yourself too much. It also creates motivation because you can actually measure progress instead of guessing it. Small wins along the way keep you consistent. Over time, this structure gives direction to every financial decision you make. It also helps you stay disciplined when distractions appear because you already know your priorities. Clear goals reduce confusion during financial decisions. Slowly, your money starts following a plan instead of emotions. 4. Build a simple budget that works. A budget is not a restriction. It is a structure that gives your money direction. Without it, spending becomes random and emotional. A simple approach is dividing your income into 3 parts: needs, wants, and savings. Needs cover essentials like rent, food, and bills. Wants include entertainment, shopping, and personal enjoyment. Savings go toward financial growth and debt reduction. This structure also helps reduce guilt while spending because everything has a purpose. You don't feel confused about where your money went. It becomes easier to stay in control without feeling restricted. This balance creates financial stability while still allowing enjoyment in life. Over time, it naturally improves discipline because you know your limits. A simple system like this is often more powerful than complicated financial plans. It also helps you avoid overspending because every category has a clear limit. When money is assigned before spending, decisions become more intentional. Slowly, you start building a healthier relationship with money without feeling pressure. 5. Create an emergency buffer. Life is unpredictable, and financial stress often comes from unexpected expenses. That is why an emergency fund is essential for stability. Start small and build gradually. Even a small amount set aside can protect you during emergencies. Keep this money in a separate account so it is not mixed with daily spending. This separation is important because it prevents emotional spending during stressful moments. It also gives you confidence that you can handle sudden problems without panic. Over time, aim to build enough to cover a few months of basic expenses. This creates peace of mind and reduces financial anxiety during difficult situations. Having this buffer changes how you react to emergencies completely. It also stops you from relying on loans or credit cards when something unexpected happens. Instead of reacting in panic, you respond with control. Over time, this habit creates real financial security that feels stable and calm. 6. Handle high-interest debt first. High-interest debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial progress. It quietly drains your income every month and slows down your growth. Focus on paying off debt in a structured way. You can start with the highest interest rate to save more money, or begin with the smallest balance to build momentum. This also helps reduce mental pressure, because debt often creates constant stress in the background. Clearing it step by step makes progress feel visible and motivating. Both methods work if followed consistently. The key is not stopping midway. As debt reduces, your monthly pressure decreases and your financial freedom increases. Over time, you start feeling lighter financially. It also improves your confidence with money because you finally feel in control instead of being controlled by debt. Each payment brings you closer to real financial stability. Over time, that progress builds strong financial discipline without forcing it. 7. Set your money on auto mode. Managing money manually every month often leads to mistakes or delays. Automation removes that problem completely. Set up automatic transfers so that a portion of your income goes directly into savings and investments as soon as you are paid. Also, automate bill payments to avoid late fees and stress. This system removes emotional decision-making from your finances. You don't need to rely on memory or motivation. Everything happens in the background without effort. Over time, this creates consistency and builds financial discipline effortlessly. It also helps you avoid overspending because money is already allocated before you see it. Slowly, saving becomes a default habit instead of a struggle. 8. Start growing your money. Once your financial foundation is stable, the next step is growth. Money sitting idle loses value over time, so it needs to be put to work. Start with simple investment options like retirement accounts or diversified funds. You don't need to take high risks or chase trends. The goal is steady and consistent growth. Even small investments grow significantly over time through compounding. Consistency matters more than timing or luck. This is what builds long-term wealth quietly. Review your finances regularly so you stay aware of your progress and adjust when needed. This keeps your financial journey on track. It also helps you stay motivated by seeing real improvement over time. The key is to stay patient and avoid emotional decisions during market ups and downs. Over time, discipline becomes your biggest financial advantage. Small actions done consistently create results that feel surprising in the long run. And there you have it, how to take control of your finances step by step. Financial control is not about big changes overnight. It is about small steps repeated consistently over time. When you understand your money, structure it properly, and stay disciplined, real progress becomes inevitable. Even small improvements in these steps can completely transform your financial direction over time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this. Comment below and tell me which step you are starting with first. It will genuinely make me happy to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.